This is the Amazon Brand Analytics, the data. Normally when we go to Amazon, we see on the Brand Analytics data weekly, monthly, or quarterly, etc. This too, we got this data from Amazon as well. But here we have more filtration tools and the leveraging. You can do many things you want. For example, you can select different marketplaces. You can select weekly or monthly data, or you can select maybe different weeks from the year or back to last 2 years to select any data you want to understand and analyze. For example, I just select the last month and the monthly. I can put any keyword. Should we go with baby category, Vova, or any other keyword you would like to me to search?
Right.
You
So
can
let's
say any keyword.
Yeah, in the last tutorial we did some baby stuff. There was some product. I can't recall the name though. If you do, we can type it in. Otherwise, we also did the vacuum cleaner, which was another product we discussed in the last kind of tutorial. So we can go with that. Uh-huh.
And now we are gonna get the keywords. Here we need to select a subcategory or main category because it could be in different categories. I'm not sure the vacuum cleaner is in different categories, but here I'm gonna select home and
Home
the
and
kitchen.
kitchen.
This is the main category.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then search now. Maybe we can narrow down a little bit to specifically keywords in this home and the kitchen category, not us. And maybe it's exist in the household or different subcategory. I
Yeah.
don't need it. We
Yeah.
are gonna do research only here in home
Yeah.
category.
Home and kitchen. So, but just in a few words, Yelchin, this tool, what it does exactly, what kind of keywords we're gonna see? Let's say now we have vacuum cleaner, we have like what are we gonna see now?
So this data is coming from the Amazon. For
Mm-hmm.
example,
Mm-hmm.
let's go the keywords. This is similar to keyword mining, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, like more Amazon style. For example, we are gonna see the keywords, and then we are gonna see the monthly SFR, search frequency ranking, how it's going to change or how it changed last 1 or 2 years. From here we can see it. Next, we can see monthly search volume. How is the search volume is changing? For example, for this keyword, cordless vacuum cleaner,
Mm-hmm.
this is the top 10 keywords when we search last month. When we search the keyword on the Amazon, and this guys popped up in the first page of the Amazon after searching this specific keyword. Rank history, we see it's how it is changing. Average rank history was 580 rank history, meaning search frequency ranking, on the Amazon on the brand analytics. Uh, we have these numbers, similar numbers. And the
Mm-hmm.
last 4 months, 4 months ago, it was 665 SFR. It's smaller, it's better. Smaller, it means the keyword search volume is higher. So recently, rank changed. It's increased, like it went 580 from probably like 400. So it means this keyword search volume a little bit went down.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so here you can see rank growth changing with the percentage impression. This is the impression and the clicks. This is also very important. We can see click through rate and the impression of the keyword. Higher the click through rate, it's better because the customers find it a good keyword or the converting keyword or they are clicking the product. And here, very important, we can see the PPC bits average 3.23 per click. It's
Click.
kind of a little bit higher. This keyword is kind of competitive keyword, but the PPC bits are also higher. Maybe we can see its trend, how it's changing. Yeah, it's pretty stable between $2 and $4 on the Amazon. If you plan to launch this kind of product and you are gonna pay all this keyword and this PPC beats very close attention because ultimately we are gonna run the PPC and it's going to affect our PPC, like PPC cost.
Hmm.
This is the SPR. This is the old metrics, like the first page, how many people running PPC for this keyword, how many guys running PPC. And this is the also data coming from Amazon, on the brand analytics. And we are gonna see the the three products who got the most impression, like we see here from here, second, third one. And under that, we are gonna see a conversion share for 4.14 and the 3.18% of total the click. So if we bring mouse over, we are gonna see their data, like what is the product? It's number one, central vacuum cleaner system, and the time we can see Amazon brand analytics. On the Amazon brand analytics data, we see in the October, September, July, June, how was its ranking? Like it was the third in August, and the second in July, something like that. It means this product is kind of dominating this keyword, and most of the time it's on the first among the first one. And this is also similar. They are on the probably the first biggest guy. I know these guys are biggest guy on the market, and how we can use the tool. For example, this guy, it's kind of probably they launched this product not that a long time ago. Yeah, they launched in this summer, and they says we see they go pretty up, and their revenue is over 1 million monthly. Even last month, almost 1.5 million. It's going to up, and they are growing. Probably there is big or kind of, let's open and see, kind of big difference for product. Not that much, but probably they are running pretty heavy PPC, like over 1200 keywords, and their price is pretty low, $89. And let's see this product's price. How is that? I sure this should be much more higher than that one. Yeah, it's kind of almost a double price this guy is selling, but the competition, this guy did with cheaper price, $89, and a heavier PPC. So ultimately, they could come to top three products. And here we see those brands. Okay, the keyword metrics are here. We can see all those keyword metrics horizontally. And here, if we wanna analyze and filter out to find out the keyword we are looking for exactly, we can use these filtration metrics. Maybe exclude the keyword, include the keyword getting more clicks, or rank grow, rank change. We can use from here to find out exactly what the keyword we are looking for.
Hmm.
Okay, Baba, do you have any additional, or do you want to say something?
Hmm. So basically, the idea of this tool is once we're like optimizing our listings, if we maybe missing on keywords, we can plug in like competition here, or for product research, we can use keywords or competitor ASINs to see the data. As if you can scroll down, Yauchen, we can see like all this click share and let's say, I mean, impression share and conversion share. It means like it's on the right there. So impression share means like these three products, right? They got about what, like 16% of the total impressions of that keyword. That means, right? So from 16% went to top three listings. The rest of the search went to the rest of basically the products that we only see the top three. And conversion share also, they got about what, 12% of the sales, right? So then based on
Yeah,
that, we can also understand like which keywords, for example, if we're trying to use PPC, then we can see like, if it's like very spread among, like let's say conversion share for top three listing is very low. So then also our ads might not work as well. I mean, this is organic though. Yes, it's not sponsored. This is for organic listings. But if I understand correctly, if like let's say conversion share is very low for the top three, that means it's just spread out. So maybe using like ads on this keyword might be not as good idea. Again, it's hard to say if it's not a good idea or it is. You gotta test it, but that might mean that our ads also won't, our clicks on ads won't get conversions. Just some ideas. But what do you think, man? Like, and also I would say to our viewers, listeners, again, if we hover over some things, like if we hover over SPR or title density, it gives us the I mean, on the left, Yelchin, yeah, if you hover over the, yeah, it gives us exactly what it is. So, like, it just gives us ideas on what these things are if we don't know them. So, for our viewers, they can always, check it out in this way too. But what do you think, man? Any ideas you have or something like that? Kind of,
You came very good the point. For example, this keyword is okay, not very big, but some keywords I don't remember exactly, but some keywords we see this number is huge. Overall, these three keywords, these three guys getting here like 16% of the impression, total impression, and the three like the 13% of total the conversion. This number is good. Sometimes this number is increasing like 40% or 50%. Some the keywords, the three biggest guy in the market dominating the keyword. If they are getting like a 45, 60% of total market, so this market is not mainly it's not a good market to
mm,
go into. The why? Because three guys already taking the biggest portion of the market. So what's left over is like 40%, which is the small number. And is that the 40% are distributed among maybe 50 sellers, 60 sellers, 100 sellers. Each one will get a very small portion of the market. So it's difficult. And another side is that if someone is taking like very big market share of the any keywords, let's suppose 30, 40% one guy. So it means if you want to be the leader in that category, it's pretty difficult because someone is pretty high, they dominate it like 20, 30, 40%. And for new sellers, it would be more difficult. You come to this market and you catch that the very biggest guy. It could be it could happen, but it's pretty difficult. Maybe you should have very innovative product. Your market should be open for this accepting new coming
mm,
new innovative product, or your price should be very cheap, or you should have profound the advantage of the product so you can dominate it. But these kind of numbers, total numbers, yeah, total numbers are kind of okay. As we said just now, impression, you see this guy is taking 41, is it taking almost 50% of total market impression. And also the conversions, they are taking 45% of total market, the conversion. So it's pretty big. Probably this keyword is a
branded,
branded
yeah.
keyword.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Therefore,
male,
is it,
miele.
mhm,
Mm-hmm.
they have very the high click through and the impression share. And meanwhile, guys, if you want to filter out and find out,
Mm-hmm.
for I just wanna impression, I wanna filter out the keywords who got maybe like let's say 15,000. So I don't wanna the guys with over 15,000 impression. I just want to filter out them and they're not using. Probably those keywords we just saw now, yeah, they filter out. Now maximum impression share like 15. So we remove some of them. I put maximum or impression share.
I
Let's
think it's
put
impressions generally, no? There's impression share, it's or that's the same metric. I'm just curious because there's like total click share, conversion share,
yeah,
impressions is.
Sorry, you are right. I put the impression and here is the conversion share and the click share. You can we can put here. Even you can select from here. For example, we
Mm-hmm.
wanna select a keyword between 0 to 10% or 10 to 20%. You just click it and we are gonna filter out the total click share is like between 10 and 20%. So we are gonna see 10 and 20%. Probably, yeah. Remove that the keyword, which one the impression share was pretty high.
Between all
So
the three listings, right? The top three it is. So, for example, that's for three combined. So if it's like 10 to 15% impression, say impression share or conversion share. So for all the three, it's like up to 15. So we can see like 5.6 plus 3.73 plus 3.20 on that, the one you're pointing at. So then it's between 10 and 15 basically, right? For all the three.
yes, that's
Mhm.
correct. It's
Okay.
combination of three most click the product, and we combine
Okay.
those three, and it shouldn't exceed what we put here, like 20%. It shouldn't exceed
Mhm.
20%.
Mhm.
It works something like that, as you said.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. Um, this is the of for example, or if you want to exclude any keyword, or if you want to include any keyword, just you can put here. Maybe any keyword like you want to exclude, like love it, it. This is the biggest brand, or you want to
Mhm.
remove brands, you can put comma, or you can put the just space, or you want to put the is cell here. So we are gonna filter out those
Mhm.
the keyword. Uh, why exact? Sorry, I should put it exclude keyword. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are gonna remove all those branded keyword and left over only the keywords without these brands.
Yep.
Guys, you
Mhm.
can use from here and they change or search volume. Meanwhile, you can put the search volume here as well. Search volume, maybe you can put between 5,000 to 6,000 or 10,000 to 20,000 as you like. And the conversion share you can put here to filter out exactly till you find a keyword you are looking for.
Yeah, it can be also used for product research. If people just wanna, just use the searches option, they just choose a category, say they go home and kitchen, baby, let's say they do say minimum 10,000 searches, maximum 12,000 searches, and then they just go with it. Like then you'll get the results, and then you just analyze the keywords that come up. You have a lot of different keywords that come up with the between that between that criteria, 10 to 12,000 searches a month in specific category based on brand analytics on Amazon.